Hello everyone and welcome to Codeland Android tutorials. This time I am starting with a new series of tutorials on Codeland Messenger. I will develop this application with Firebase database, but first I will create a complete UI design of Messenger application, and then I will add functionality for one-to-one chat, group chat and online status of the users. This is just a dummy application, you can see, but later we will add functionality for one-to-one chat, functionality for group chat and the active status of the users using Firebase database. These are the navigation items. So let's get started with the main activity. In main activity we will design a toolbar, a custom toolbar, and this toolbar contains the search bar in terms of the added text where you can search the users using Firebase database. So this toolbar contains a text view, and its ID is txt search. We will also add an icon in the left of the text view. So I will start and add some padding. Now add the text of the text view and set it to search. Now again add the gravity for the text view to center vertical and set the alignment of the text in the text view. Also set the text size to 18 sp. Now at the end of the toolbar, at the right side, I will add a circle image view which shows a profile image of the user. So set the width and height to 25 dp and set the alignment of the image and set the image in the drivable from the drivable resource. I have actually add a number of pictures and icons in drivable folder, drivable file. According to the messenger design, below the toolbar there is a line break. You can say a line according to the design of the messenger. You can see, and let's set the ID of the relative layout, and this view will below the relative layout. And now you can see the design. The view is below. Now again add the frame layout, which shows the different fragments. Let's say a home fragment, friend requests, and camera fragment, game fragment, and also a news fragment. So set the attributes of the frame layout, the width and height, and the ID of the frame layout, and the alignment, the margin. Now at the bottom of the main activity, the bottom navigation view, and I have also created menu items for the bottom navigation view, and these items are home, friend request, camera, news, game, etc. And set the label visibility mode to unlabeled, because we have just icons at the bottom in the bottom navigation view. So this is the UI. You can see and set the alignment of the frame layout to above the bottom navigation view. Now come to the Java file and connect the bottom navigation view to the XML file. So create a variable of the class bottom navigation view, and also create variable for the frame layout and name it as content main. Okay, in the main create on the on create method. Okay, let's run the app and see the design. Just uninstall the messenger from the emulator, and I think the error is in the string file. So here is a string, and this is the duplicate value. Just delete this one, and now it is okay. Close this tab and wait. The bottom navigation view contains the icons, just icons at the bottom navigation view, which you can see the home icon, the friend request, the camera icon, and the game icon, and again the news icon. So again we will design uh, the tab layout on the tab layout for the messages, the active status page, as per the messenger design. So bottom navigation, first connect the bottom navigation view with this class, and the procedure you can see bottom navigation view is equal to find view by id on bottom navigation view. And to make it functional, set the on item selected listener, set on item navigation selected listener. So go to the manifest file, the style, and copy this theme, yeah. Let's check the design, and you can see the items at the in the bottom navigation view, and this is the profile picture. And that's it for the first video, and see you in the next video of this messenger application. Thanks for watching this video.